Welcome to New Vision International School Virtual Learning. Hello there, my dear students. Today is April 12, 2020, and we will have our reading lesson, which is entitled A Symphony of Whales. These are the materials that you need. Please prepare your reading booklet, reading sheet, reader's and writer's notebook, and your pencil. And this is our learning objectives for today. Know and understand how to generalize a story. Determine the meaning of unfamiliar words. Read and comprehend informational text from a short story. What is the title of our lesson again? A Symphony of Whales. Can you repeat the title? Yes, A Symphony of Whales by Steve Scutch. And these are the pages for this story. Reading Street Textbook, pages 476 to 491. Let's have a short review about the story elements. The title of this selection is A Symphony of Whales by Steve Scutch, and the genre is fiction. Setting, wintertime, and the place is at Glashka's village. The main characters are Glashka and Norna. Secondary characters are the villagers and the icebreakers. And of course, the author's purpose of this story is to persuade the readers to help others. What is the meaning of persuade again? To convince. To convince the readers to help others. Good job. What is a fiction? Fiction sometimes tells a story based on events that really did happen. Let's go to vocabulary words. It means anxiously. What is it? Nervously. Another one. It is a part of a sea or lake partly surrounded by land. What do you call this? Bay. Next one. It means heavy snowstorms with very strong winds. Blizzards. We have here a body of water joining two larger bodies of water. You have already heard the answer, so this is channel. Next one, it means cut or broken off a small pieces of something. Like this stone. Shipped. Next one, a tune or easily remembered series of musical notes. Melody. It means quantities of something needed. These are the things that you need. Supplies. Another one, this purple dog. Encircled or enclosed. It means this dog is in the middle, surrounded by the other dogs. The last one that we have here is, it is a long, complicated musical composition for an orchestra. What do you call this? Symphony. Good job, kids! And now let's proceed to another lesson, which is generalizations. Generalizations is a statement about the group that is true for most of the group. Like for example, these are peppers. They are peppers, so they must be hot. To know more about this lesson, let's watch the short video clips.
Today we're going to talk about what does it mean to generalize. When you generalize, you make something called a generalization. A generalization is a broad statement or rule that applies to many examples. It'll apply most of the time, all of the time, or never. To make good generalizations, you want to have supporting facts, examples, and use your past experiences. This will help you know when things are true most, all, or never. Let's look at an example. What do you do when you see someone you know? A lot of people might smile and wave at the person that they see. So we could say most people smile and wave when they see someone they know. A bad example could be changing that word most to all and saying all people smile and wave when they see someone they know. This is not true for everyone, so it's not really a good generalization to say all. Some generalization clue words are all, always, everyone, never, nobody, most, many, sometimes, generally, and usually. These aren't all the clue words, but they're a really good start. Let's look at the example, all animals need food to live. What's the clue word that this is a generalization? Yes, that word all is the clue word. What about my family usually goes to the beach in the summer? The clue word there is usually. All right, now you're ready. Good luck going and making generalizations about the world around you.
Go to page 212 of your Reader's and Writer's Notebook and we will answer the activity. Generalize. Ideas in what you read are sometimes alike in several ways. To generalize, you can make a general statement about them together. Look for clue words such as most, many, all, some, or few. Let's read the following passage. Mammals are animals that need to breathe air. Most mammals give birth to live babies. Mammals' mother also give milk to their babies. Gray whales live in the ocean. Mothers-to-be find a safe place, such as a lagoon, to give birth. After the calf is born, a female helper pushes it up to the surface so it can breathe. Then the mother feeds the baby. Directions. Are gray whales mammals? Complete the chart. Make a generalization. Number 1. Do gray whales breathe air? Yes or no? The answer is yes. Question number 2. Do gray whales give birth to babies? What do you think is the answer? Give birth. So the answer is yes. Number 3. Do gray whales nurse their young? Yes. So for number 4, we will make our generalization about the gray whales. So we are going to write gray whales are, what kind of animals are this? They are mammals because they need to breathe air. And for number 5, we will write something that we learned from this passage. It helped me see how gray whales are mammals. Don't forget to write the answers. Awesome job, kids! Now we will do another activity on page 30 of your reading booklet. We will read first the story and then we will answer the questions that follow. The title of this short story is Popcorn. Do you love to eat popcorn? Yeah, me too. I love popcorn. So popcorn is the best snack. Popcorn has been a part of meals and a snack for a long time. In fact, in early 1700s, boys and girls ate popcorn with milk and sugar for breakfast. Popcorn is easy to grow. Corn seeds are planted in warm weather. They grow into tall plants with ears of corn. The ears are picked about 10 weeks after the kernels begin to grow. When the kernels are taken off the ear, the popcorn is ready to pop. Popcorn tastes best during a movie. It also makes a beautiful holiday decoration. Birds eat popcorn too. Next time you are hungry or want to feed the birds, you might want to pop some corn. Did you understand the story? Okay, so let's answer the questions that follow. Let's answer number 1 first. Question number 1. Today, when do most Americans eat popcorn? At holidays, at snack time, or at breakfast? The answer is at snack time. Before, they loved to eat it during breakfast, but now we usually eat popcorn during snack time. Question number 2. What is the second paragraph mostly about? Is it what popcorn looks like, how popcorn grows, when to plant popcorn, or how to grow popcorn? The answer is how to grow Popcorn. Number 3. According to selection, what kind of animal eats popcorn? What do you think is the answer? Of course, the answer is birds. Good job, kids. Attention, please. For your homework, please read the selection on pages 476 to 491 because this is the second week for this selection, so we must remember the important parts that happened in the story. Is that clear? Very good. Enjoy reading. That's all for today.